Are you growing Anthurium but seeing slow growth, few shoots, and rare blooms? Anthurium is not hard to grow. Most people are just missing one important step. A small adjustment can make your plant healthier from the roots. No chemical fertilizers, no complicated methods. Just a natural and safe approach at home. In this video, I share how I care for Anthurium to encourage steady shoots and glossy leaves over time. Watch until the end. The final step determines long-term plant health. The first ingredient I use is 1 potato. It is a very familiar kitchen ingredient, but it is often overlooked in plant care. I choose a firm potato, with no soft spots or damage, so the preparation and the next steps stay stable from the beginning. In this method, I do not use the whole potato. I only peel the skin, because this is the part one need for the process. After peeling, I cut the potato peel into small pieces. This makes the handling easier and helps the next steps work more evenly. Which country are you watching this video from? I'm very happy to welcome you to Flower Care Garden. Please leave a comment below and let me know. It's amazing that we can connect and chat with each other from all around the world. Next, I place all the chopped potato peels into a clean glass jar to prepare for the next step. The second ingredient I'm using is rice. A common kitchen staple that's easy to find, safe to use, and especially beneficial for plant growth. I add 3 tablespoons of rice into the jar along with the prepared potato peels, helping to enrich the mixture with natural nutrients. Next, I pour about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water directly into the jar to activate the nutrients in both the rice and the potato peels. Then, I stir the mixture well until all the ingredients are fully combined. Finally, I close the lid and let the mixture sit for about 30 minutes, allowing it to stabilize and become ready for the next step. Now I carry out a general inspection of the Anthurium before moving on to the next care steps. Upon closer observation, I notice some leaves are torn and no longer maintain a healthy structure. In addition, the tissue at the leaf petiole is starting to show signs of rot. These damages reduce nutrient absorption and slow down the growth of healthy parts. If not treated in time, they can create favorable conditions for mold and pests, especially in humid environments. After pruning, I use turmeric powder to treat the cuts directly on the plant. I apply only a thin layer of turmeric powder, just enough to cover the cut surface. Turmeric helps the cuts dry faster and limits the entry of bacteria and fungi. This is a natural, safe method that works very well for Anthurium plants. By using turmeric powder, the plant stabilizes faster and is ready for the next care stage. After soaking the potato peels and rice for about 30 minutes, I stir the mixture well to help release more nutrients. Then strain out all the solids and keep only the extracted liquid. This filtering step helps prevent residue from clogging roots or encouraging mold growth in the growing medium. As a result, the solution becomes cleaner, easier to use, and safer for plants. Next, I add about 500 milliliters of room temperature water to dilute the potato peel and rice solution. Diluting the solution makes it gentler, preventing plant shock when watering the roots or spraying the leaves, especially for ornamentals like Anthurium. With this mixture, we have a fully natural, easy to absorb, and plant-friendly nutrient solution. Step 1. I use a clean cotton pad soaked in the diluted potato peel and rice solution. Then gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves from top to bottom. This is more than basic cleaning. It is a direct form of leaf care that removes dust, bacteria, and small insects from the leaf surface. When the leaves are properly cleaned, the plant can breathe better, photosynthesis becomes more efficient, and nutrient absorption improves. The potato peel and rice solution contains easily absorbed natural nutrients that help leaves appear darker green, shinier, and more resilient. In addition, the natural compounds in this solution help reduce mild fungal issues and common leaf pests, especially in humid conditions. In addition to Vietnamese, this video is also available in multiple other languages. These include English, French, German, Spanish, and Portuguese. The video is also available in Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. You can easily switch to your preferred language in the video settings. Regularly wiping the leaves with this solution not only keeps the Anthurium healthier but also enhances its visual appeal in living spaces. Step 2. After finishing the leaf wiping process, I pour the diluted potato peel and rice solution into a spray bottle to prepare for the next care step. I then spray the solution evenly over the entire Anthurium plant, including the upper and lower leaf surfaces, the stems, and the exposed root area above the growing medium. Spraying allows the plant to absorb nutrients more comprehensively, not only through the roots but also directly through the leaf surface. The potato peel and rice solution provides gentle, natural nutrients and compounds that support growth, strengthen plant resistance, and help maintain physiological balance. Natural compounds in the solution also help suppress bacteria and mold on the leaf surface, reducing the risk of leaf spots, leaf rot, and mild pest issues. Even spraying distributes nutrients effectively to young shoots and growing tips, encouraging new leaf growth and keeping the plant vibrant and healthy looking. Step 3. After spraying, I water the entire growing medium of the red Anthurium using the potato peel and rice solution. Watering with this solution supplies essential nutrients to the roots, helping them absorb water and nutrients more efficiently. The potato peel and rice solution is rich in natural starches and vitamins, helping loosen the growing medium, increase organic matter, and balance beneficial microorganisms. When applied regularly, this solution stabilizes the root environment, reduces the risk of root rot, and supports sustainable plant growth. With a healthy root system, the plant grows stronger, produces darker green new leaves, and blooms more consistently over time. Next, I soak the red Anthurium in the potato peel and rice solution for about 10 minutes to allow deeper nutrient absorption. After soaking, I gently take the plant out and move on to the next care step. Step 4. I use a soft, clean, absorbent cloth to gently wipe away all remaining moisture from the leaf surfaces. Drying the leaves prevents water from collecting in leaf joints, reducing the risk of mold, mealybugs, and leaf rot, especially in humid environments. When the leaf surface stays dry, the plant breathes better. Photosynthesis improves, and the leaves maintain their natural vibrant color. Wiping the leaves also helps prevent water stains and white spots left behind after evaporation. After wiping, I place the plant in an area with diffused light and gentle airflow so the leaves can dry naturally. With simple ingredients like potato peels and rice, we can create a completely natural plant care method at home. This method requires no chemical fertilizers or complicated techniques, yet still delivers clear and safe results. With just a little time and gentle care, the plant responds with deep green leaves, steady growth, and longer-lasting blooms. Anthurium is not only a beautiful plant, but also a symbol of resilience, vitality, and good fortune in living spaces. Thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one with more natural and plant-friendly care tips.